whereas in Meghalaya it's 77.
The state government will examine the suggestion for leading a delegation of all 60 legislators to the national capital to pursue the implementation of ILP in the state. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma indicated this in the State Assembly on Monday while responding to a suggestion made in this connection by P.T. Saukme during the question hour. He also asserted that the state government would continue to take up with the centre for immediate implementation of the ILP.
So this process is on, and we are pursuing this matter. The seriousness, as I said, of the government as well as of this House has been established by the resolution that was passed by the government and the resolution that was passed by the House. And therefore, so we will continue to pursue, and we hope that we'll reach a logical conclusion in this line. And I'm definitely open to suggestions that members would like to give in this matter.